Prime Minister Modi is likely to reply in Lok Sabha today at 5 o'clock on the motion of thanks on President's address. Today, all eyes will be on Prime Minister's powerful reply, capping at 18-hour debate that is marked by heated exchanges, opposition disruption and controversy over recent India and US trade deal. Now, what's expected today? Prime Minister is likely to defend the government's achievement, counter opposition charge and outline the vision for a developed India. So this is what we are learning as far as the Prime Minister address is concerned. But a quick recap of what has happened over the last 2 days in the Parliament of India. On day one, remember, the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, he chose a script that took everyone by surprise. He picked an unpublished book and India-China border as the subject of it. Waving an article published in the magazine, Rahul Gandhi used former Army Chief Narwane's name to direct the conversation towards centre's national security policy, to which both the Defence Minister and Home Minister objected, questioning to the source of information as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned. On day two, that was not full of ruckus, but also saw unruly behaviour of some of the opposition MPs who did not bother to maintain the decorum in the House before throwing papers at the chair. The reason was that leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi claimed that he was not being allowed to speak on the India-China issue in the Parliament of India, and also the unpublished book that he has been quoting again and again. And today all eyes will be on the address by the Prime Minister. On that, let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's been tracking all the details. Good morning, Kritika. Today all eyes will be on the Parliament. As far as Prime Minister is concerned, what is expected? Take us through the latest.
Well, yes, Akansha, in fact, all eyes are definitely on the Prime Minister's address. Remember, this is the 18-hour discussion that we're speaking of in respect to the President's address that has set in motion the budget session of the current of the Parliament. And in fact, a lot has also happened since then. The budget has come out, definitely references about that. The US-India trade deal has been announced by both US President Donald Trump as well as Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well. So we can see a reference of that. But more than that, the House has been disrupted for the last few days as well. We've seen, in fact, the suspension of a lot of a few of Congress MPs as well regarding disruptions in Parliament over the statements made by leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. So definitely sharp remarks towards that are also expected in the Prime Minister's address today. Remember, yesterday Rahul Gandhi had taken a lot of opposition to the word permission that was used by the Speaker, who was then at the chair yesterday. And in response to that, also we can see the Prime Minister again make some sharp responses, even as the Prime Minister addresses the Lok Sabha today. Over to you.
Absolutely. So a lot has happened in the last 2 days. There was a lot of disruption on day one, and on day two, in fact, 8 of the opposition MPs have also been suspended. But today all eyes will be on the address of the Prime Minister. Thanks so much, Kritika, for getting us all those details. Now, another major political flashpoint between the government and the opposition parties is at the US trade deal. US-India trade deal. Leading the charge, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has claimed that Prime Minister Modi was acting under pressure and linked the trade deal to what he called is undisclosed material in the Jeffrey Epstein file. Singing the same tune, in fact, several opposition leaders of the India bloc demanded clarity on the deal. And in the latest, Congress's Manishankar Aiyar, he attacked the government, claiming that this is the act of slave and called that there will be, in fact, a protest, a nationwide protest, once again by the farmers.
ये जो ट्रंप और मोदी के बीच में डील हुआ है वो कायरपना है। हम झुक चुके हैं और जो भी ट्रंप कहे उसको किसी न किसी तरह प्यार में दोबारा लाने के लिए हमारी सरकार जो करना चाहती है, जो ट्रंप करना चाहता है, उसको एक गुलाम जैसे करती है। और जैसा कि फार्म बिल्स के सिलसिले में सरकार को हटना पड़ा और जैसे सीएए के मामले में उनको उसे धकेलना पड़ा बहुत महीने, बहुत साल, अब मैं आपको आश्वासन देता हूं कि जबकि हमारे कृषक और छोटे जो इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट है उनको पता लगेगा कि क्या उनकी हालत हुई है, तब आप देखिए कि सड़कों पर आ जाएंगे और मोदी जी को वापस जाना होगा
And while on the other hand, Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has claimed that highlighted the importance of the historic deal, terming this as the best India has got in the whole neighborhood. He also ensured that this deal will protect the farmers, MSME, textile industries, among others as well. Have a look at what he said.
मोदी जी घबराए हुए हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी जी पर प्रेशर है, भयंकर प्रेशर है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो इमेज का गुब्बारा है, जो हजारों करोड़ रुपए लेकर बनाया गया था, वो फूट सकता है। मेन बात यह है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर दिया गया है। किसने किया है, कैसे किया है, यह हिंदुस्तान की जनता को सोचना है। एक अदानी जी पर केस है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में, वो अदानी जी को टारगेट नहीं कर रहा है, वो नरेंद्र मोदी के फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रक्चर को टारगेट कर रहा है। दूसरा है एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स। एप्स्टाइन फाइल्स में अभी और माल है, वो अभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ है।
बड़ा दुर्भाग्य है कि राहुल गांधी जैसे नकारात्मक सोच रखने वाले नेता देश को आज गुमराह या भ्रमित करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मैं घोर निंदा करता हूं राहुल गांधी जी की। झूठ और फरेब के नाम पे वो लोगों को गुमराह करना चाहते हैं।
And with this, a short break. More news and updates on the other side.